Alright guys, welcome back. Today is October 30th. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Will and I are finally getting out on the Old Town kayaks. We are heading upstream right now to sit in a spot we think might be good. We do have a lot of water right now. The river's blown out pretty good. We had a lot of rain yesterday and last night. So we're fighting that right now. We're not sure exactly what it's gonna look like when we get up farther up this river bottom, how flooded it's gonna be. So that's kind of gonna determine on where we hunt. But the weather's not awesome either. It's sunny, partly sunny now. It's supposed to be overcast later, but it's like 50 something degrees right now, so it's kind of hot. We're supposed to have 10-mile-an-hour winds, but it's also pretty calm, so we'll see. But we're excited. We're going upstream, and yeah, check this out. Look how flooded it is. What do you guys think? That's sweet. Last time we were here, this was a huge dammed up blowout. Alright guys, it's 2:23. We just kind of scouted a couple spots due to the river being blown out. We're not sure exactly where we're gonna hunt. We landed on a spot up here. Will and I agreed that it would probably be the best spot. I do have a camera up here. It just sent me a picture of a small buck, so it looked like it was moving. So we got probably 250 yards to walk. We're gonna leave the kayaks here, and yeah, we're gonna find a tree, get up in the saddle. So stick with us. We're gonna kind of get over there as quickly and quietly as we can just to get set up. So the wind is picking up, which is finally good. So other than that, let's go. Ready, Will? Let's do this. Let's do this. We got a big gap here to cross, and it's, I don't know. Most deer probably aren't bedded right now. They're probably moving, so we're just gonna do it. We're gonna cross this open field, get set up, and stupid. I'm soaked up to my nads. It's flooded the entire way. Son of a bee. It's literally flooded the whole way. I don't know, Will, you tell me.
Gotta get out of here first and foremost.
What do you think?
Gotta turn around and find a new spot.
I don't think we can get over there.
I don't think so either.
It's just all sheet water over here.
It's
just it's deceiving. It looks like there's no water, but I don't know, standing here I'm alright. Once I start moving and stuff, once I start moving it's fine. Once I stand here it's cold. I'm beyond soaked right now. Where are we at? Alright guys, we finally made it in. Basically what we did was we just took the kayaks and we paddled across that whole open bottom there. It worked way better than our freaking original plan. We're a bunch of retards. But anyways, we finally got over here. We're gonna go up about 100 yards and we're gonna find a tree and sit. Clock is ticking, we gotta get in the stand. Our wind is absolutely trash. You feel it blowing straight up? We ain't gonna see any deer. We're in the danger zone. We got bedding area like 60 yards this way. And then we've got the swamp bottom down to my right. And up to my left goes up and it's all hardwood, so we're gonna quick get set up and we'll see what the night brings. This is the best tree we got. There's quite a bit of deer sign in here, so gonna do it. Get your saddle on. Alright guys, we're back in the tree. It's been a heck of an afternoon trying to get set up. Will and I are both soaking wet. Luckily it's like 50 degrees, but we did get into an area to the left of me. Right here is a big bedding area. It's all cedars in between the river bottom and open timber above us. So if we're lucky, a buck will come down through here and check for does. Unfortunately, we can't see this other field to our right. So if there's a deer in it, we're not gonna know, but I can see the river bottom. It is all flooded, so I doubt any deer are gonna be down in there, but it's just about 4 o'clock, so we have 2 hours to sit. Hopefully this rain will hold off and we'll see some deer. So I have a cell cam at the other end of this cedar thicket here, so we'll see. If some of you guys remember, Will had French toast in a Ziploc bag on a dough-on. I've got cinnamon bread today and a steaming hot cup of coffee in my Yeti. Alright guys, it's 5 o'clock, 10 after 5. We haven't seen any deer yet. The clouds are rolling in, it's starting to cool off a little bit. So we have about an hour until shooting light, so hopefully we'll see a deer. Otherwise, this is a pretty killer spot, but the wind is not ideal for this situation. So my trail cam did show a buck come through here earlier today around noon, so I don't know, we'll see. It's a good spot for deer to check for doe, so we'll see what happens. We got some rain coming in now. Alright guys, we're gonna sit another 5 minutes and then we're gonna pack up and get out of here. We got a long ways to go, so I think this is a really good spot. We just didn't see any deer tonight. I don't know if it has to do with how flooded the river is or what, but anyways, we appreciate you following along, watching us be a couple idiots walk through that water. We ended up canoeing or kayaking just across the whole lake, so, or the whole sheet water, so we want to be able to, there's a main ditch in it that we use to get back here, so we got a ways to get to that ditch to get out, so we want to try and get there, at least back to the main river before it's like dark, so other than that, if you don't hear from us again, we appreciate you watching. Leave a comment down below, like the video, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe. So if anything else, we'll see you on the next one, guys. We'll definitely be back in this spot.